Well, hello there. Interstate here. This will be one of the final videos of 2025. So this here is a package. What's inside it is probably that untested phone lot I got. So why don't we just go ahead and get started. Pretty sure whatever's in here is, I don't know, this feels surprisingly light. Oh yeah, this is the phone lot. But what I didn't tell y'all is that the one I was going to get with working phones, somebody ended up buying that out, so it left me with this only option. I decided to try my luck with some untested devices. And whichever ones work, you will be seen in a future video. And whichever ones don't work, I will be reselling on eBay. But yeah, let's go ahead and unravel this. Oh. Okay, this is the first one. This is the first one, an unknown LG device. On Metro PCS, it has no battery. So I'll probably have to buy batteries for a couple of these. I'm trying to find somewhere I can get the back off. Yeah, stay with me, everyone. Try and get this back off. Okay, there we go. It is dated January 2015. But yeah, and this is a LG MS323. Alrighty, so I will be looking this up, getting the battery for it, and seeing if it runs. Oh, and this is device number 2 that just flopped out. A Samsung Galaxy S3. And this one is the T-Mobile variant. Which, in order for me to find out if this works, is to squeeze my other S3 battery in here. And good as new. But I'll still be getting batteries for them though, don't worry. January 2014 on this one. SGH T999L. So it is the T-Mobile variant. Alright, on to device number 3. I can feel it right here. It's another LG. Yeah, no battery. I'm gonna be going battery shopping. No worries. June 2013 for this one. There we go. 06-2013. And the model right here. LG MS769. So, telling from the MS, I think this might be a T-Mobile one, though it's not really showing any signs of it. Which is unfortunate. Now, on to the fourth one. This one is busted up and sticky, and it does have a battery in it. It does have a crack right here. And basically this part of the screen is shattered. And as well as the corner right here. But I'm going to open this up. Yeah, this back is real sticky. Nothing a little alcohol and paper towel can't fix. But yeah, this is the battery. Battery seems to be okay. This one is model SMJ327T1. Let me get that up there for y'all. Right here. Let me see if I can find... Yep, there's a date right here. 1709, which is September of 2017. So I'm guessing this is a Galaxy J 2017 series. Telling from the... Yeah, Galaxy J series 2017. I already have one of these on US Cellular. It might be another one of them. Alright, and the fifth phone. The fifth phone is an absolute beauty, and I really hope it works. This is the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus. This one is a Verizon one, and just look at it. I've been seeing this phone on video for years, and I've always wanted something like this in my collection. This is so cool. But yeah, that's device number 5. Now these ones down here are the tablets. Yes, there are some tablets in this lot. So this is tablet number 1, aka device number 6. And it is a Samsung, which is very cool, as I have a Samsung tablet that I use that is literally next to me. That is why I went to move. But I do wonder which one this is. I have no idea, but I will be trying this out. Probably a Tab A series. Probably. Now for tablet number 2, aka device number 7. Move that down for you. This one is Asus tablet. This one is internet supported, Verizon, real cool. And this one has that little button, just like Samsung. I found those Asus is really cool. The screen is shattered on this side, right here, here, a chunk of glass missing here, and it's just shattered there as well. Cracks going up and down, left and right of this display. So the chances of this working are slim, and I will not be putting my bets on it working at all. And now for the final device, tablet number 3, aka device number 8. And it is yet another Samsung tab. Woo! Okay. So it seems like this one does turn on, but the display is wow. Let me get that in for y'all. You can see right there. This one had definitely seen better days. And it doesn't have a password that I can see. Nope, it is home on the home screen. You know what? It really sucks that this one is broken. So this one will be the first device that I will be putting on eBay or something. I wonder what Samsung tab it is though. It's unfortunate I can't go to settings. Let's look at that. It's real cool. Real nice. But yeah, let's go ahead and do a wrap up. I will be pausing this video and I will unpause when I get with y'all. Alright everyone, this is the wrap up. Let's start off with this one. Busted screen will be one of the first to go on eBay. So yeah, that's it. Wonder what this is. A Galaxy J series, and telling from the design and the date, it is the 2017 model, which I do have one of them. Samsung Galaxy S3 on T-Mobile. This one is likely to work since it's not in bad cosmetic shape. I'll be putting the battery out of my other S3 and putting it in here to see if it works. This LG device, I'll probably have to look through my collection and find a battery that fits this. Otherwise, I will be going battery shopping for a battery that fits this device. This phone seems to be in good cosmetic condition and I'm putting my hopes on that it will work. It might work. This LG phone on Metro PCS. This one has no battery, but I will be looking for one for this one. And it is in good cosmetic condition, so the chances of it working is 50-50. That's usually when a phone is broken. It's usually when a phone says it's broken and it's in good cosmetic condition, it's one or two things. Something motherboard related or water damage. Which I will be checking for water damage on all of them, just to be sure. Wait, I want to get this one last. This one here, another Samsung tablet. This one might work unless it has a busted display like this one. But the screen don't seem to be too bad, so I say this might work if it's not password locked. Good cosmetic condition if I didn't mention that already, so there's chances of it working. Last but certainly not least, the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge Plus. In this very cool, like, golden color. This has to be my favorite phone. My favorite phone out of all the 8 devices here. Yeah, that beautiful gold color. I really hope this one works, and I hope it's not Google or password locked. As I could use this phone, my goodness gracious. But yeah, this will conclude this video of this random phone lot. Like I said in the beginning, the ones that don't work will be on eBay and resold for some money so I can get some more that do work. Well, in fact, batteries for these. And then the ones that do work, you will be seeing future content on. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Share the video, like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. I upload whenever I can. See you in the next one. 95 out.